Hello all, welcome to Let's Dive Into channel. The main agenda of this particular videos is to show you how to perform real world Docker specific projects and how to complete the assignments. I have taken the assignments from Intellipaat specific platform. So the copyrights will be Intellipaat only. Whatever the content that I am showing that belongs to Intellipaat. uh, we have tasks to perform, which is a part of assignment one. More or like the real world scenarios, the launching the containers, all are similar to the assignment only. So I'm going to show how to complete the tasks and all. So to complete the task, I am using AWS EC2 instance. So um, I will try to launch the EC2 instance. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to launch the contain instance from AWS. This is the EC2 dashboard. When I see there no instance is being running in running state, so I'm going to launch the instance. Let me name it as instance one. Instance one. I will keep the AMI image as Linux 2003 only. I think this will work for our assignment. I'll keep the settings default and I'll use instance type T3 micro. Since I am using free tier account, I will use only the accounts which will allow free tier access. So we can't go more if we specify more configurations. I mean more higher end versions means it will cost us the money. Nowadays, previously the AWS was giving 1 year of free tier account, but now it has been reduced to 6 months. So we need to use it as wisely and yeah. This VPC I'm going to give default VPC only, and security groups I am allowing all the traffic from HTTP and HTTPS, and RAM and ROM I am keeping default. I am launching the instance. It will take 1 to 2 minutes to launch the instance. I mean, few seconds to launch the instance. You can check the status check. The instance is still initializing, even though it is running state, but it in backend it is downloading some binaries and all. So instance status check is still initializing. Let it get initialize. Yeah. Let's connect to the instance. Let's see whether it's being connected or not. This is a way to connect via I mean root user account. It will connect directly via console. Comment down below if you want to see how to launch an instance via putty. So we have launched the EC2 instance. It is of Amazon Linux 2003 version. So to install the Docker in our EC2 instance, just we need to browse it in Google or Microsoft Explorer to see how to install Docker in AWS EC2 instance. There was a clear documentation from AWS itself to launch the to download the Docker. So here we have Linux and yeah, just we need to copy paste the comments. Please comment down below if you want these comments. I will ping in the description. Since we have installed the instance, we are going to upgrade the packages which has been pre-installed. So the upgrade has been completed. Upgrade. Then since we are using Amazon Linux 2023, we need to use yum install hyphen by Docker. This will install Docker binaries and package. Once the Docker binaries has been installed, we need to start the Docker service in our local machine. Yeah, the command to start the Docker is sudo we are using because we are running the command as a super user account. The local EC2 user don't have permissions to run the Docker command, so we are going to give sudo at the beginning of the command so that it will run as a super user. We are going to start the Docker service. The command for that is sudo service docker start. It will start the service. To check the status, the command is sudo service docker status. Now you can see it is active and running. So we can consider the service is up and running. We are going to give EC2 user the permissions for the Docker group so that we can run the Docker commands using EC2 user as well. The permissions has been provided. Yeah, the Docker PS is a command where we can see whether any container is being running or not. A Docker is something, any command in Docker is starting with Docker keyword followed by the verb. So Docker PS, Docker images. So any command in Docker will be followed by keyword Docker first, starting with Docker followed by verb. That's all for this video, guys. Next video we are going to start the assignment. Thank you. Please do follow and comment in case of any doubts or in case of any improvements required from my